And the car is back up and running again. Let's see, oil pressure is fine at idle, voltage is fine, fuel is okay, half tank, it's idling a bit high, still have to adjust that a little, and temperature is holding, no more overheating. Nice stable fuel pressure. The fan just kicked in. It's still spewing out a little coolant, but that's just because it's only been filled. I fixed the fuel leak. There were fuel leaks at the Banjos. Those are gone now as well too. And the carbs sing their song. Nice.